Have you ever gazed upon the night sky and wondered just how vast it truly is? The universe, an infinite expanse of mystery and magic, goes on and on without an end. This concept of infinity, though perplexing, illuminates the wonder of our universe. Picture this: you're on spaceship traveling at light speed, but you never reach the universe's end. Why? As you approach the end, the universe expands further. It's an awe-inspiring phenomenon, isn't it? So next time you look up at the night sky, remember you're looking into infinity. Did you know space is completely silent? Now don't get me wrong, it's not because space has poor acoustics or anything. The reason is actually much more fascinating. You see, sound travels in waves, much like ripples in a pond. But here's the catch. These waves need a medium to travel through. On Earth, that medium is usually air, but it could also be water, metal, or any other material that can carry the vibration. Now think about space. It's mostly a vacuum, devoid of air or any other matter. So, when there's no medium for these sound waves to travel through, there's no sound. It's like trying to make ripples in an empty pond. There's just nothing for the ripples to move through. So next time you're watching a space movie and there's a colossal explosion with roaring sound, remember, in reality, it would be a silent spectacle. So if you ever find yourself in space, don't expect to hear anything. How fast do you think light travels? It's pretty speedy. Light zips through space at a mind-boggling rate. We're talking about 186,000 miles per second. That's like going around the Earth's equator 7.5 times in a single second. But wait, there's more. This cosmic speed limit isn't just for kicks and giggles. It's a fundamental constant of the universe and a crucial tool for astronomers. You see, when we talk about cosmic distances, we often use the speed of light as a measuring stick. This gives birth to the concept of a light year, which is the distance that light travels in one Earth year. To give you a sense of scale, our closest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, is a little over 4 light years away. So the light we see from it today actually started its journey over 4 years ago. So when you're looking at the stars, you're actually seeing light that's years old. Ever dreamed of floating around weightlessly? Well, in space, that's just an average Tuesday. The phenomenon you're envisioning is called zero gravity, and it's a constant reality for astronauts in space. Imagine, if you will, an apple not falling when it's dropped, but just hanging there, suspended in midair. That's zero gravity for you. This weightless environment, however, is more than just a cool party trick. It significantly impacts the astronauts' bodies. Without the constant pull of gravity, muscles and bones can weaken. Astronauts have to work out for about 2 hours each day to counteract these effects. But it's not all doom and gloom. This lack of gravity also means astronauts grow a bit taller in space. As the spine is not compressed by gravity, astronauts can gain up to 2 inches in height. So next time you're dreaming of floating around, remember the reality behind it. Remember, in space, there's no up or down. Can you imagine a place where it rains diamonds? Quite an intriguing thought, isn't it? Well, welcome to the magnificent worlds of Saturn and Jupiter, where this isn't just a beautiful fantasy, but a scientific reality. Here's how it works. These gas giants are home to an abundance of carbon. When storms rage in the atmospheres of these planets, they carry methane gas upwards to colder regions. As the methane encounters extreme pressures and temperatures, it breaks down, and the carbon atoms within it begin to crystallize. This crystallization process forms chunks of graphite, and as they fall deeper into the planet's interior, the pressure is so intense that these chunks transform into diamonds. Yes, you heard it right. A cascade of diamonds glittering like stars, raining down into the heart of these planets. A spectacle that's as breathtaking as it is mind-boggling. So, if you're ever in need of a diamond, you know where to go. Think Earth's weather is unpredictable? Try space. The universe is a vast and wild frontier, home to some of the most extreme weather conditions you could ever imagine. The blue ice giant Neptune, for instance, boasts the fastest winds in the solar system. These winds whip around the planet at speeds of more than 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. But wait, there's more. Over on Venus, the second planet from the Sun, you'd have to contend with sulfuric acid rain. Yes, you heard right, acid rain. But don't worry about bringing an umbrella, because this rain never reaches the surface. It evaporates due to the intense heat before it can touch down. And these are just a couple of examples. From the methane lakes of Titan to the glass rain of HD 189733b, space is filled with unpredictable and often terrifying weather. So, next time you complain about the weather, just be glad you're not on Venus. Ever wondered what happens when you enter a black hole? Imagine being in a place where the laws of physics as we know them cease to exist. Welcome to the realm of black holes. These cosmic phenomena are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. This intense gravitational pull is due to a massive amount of matter being squeezed into a tiny space. Think of it like the strongest vacuum cleaner in the universe, but instead of dust, it sucks in planets, stars, and even unfortunate spacecraft that get too close. Now the real question is, what happens if you were to venture into one of these black holes? The answer, my friends, is not for the faint of heart. According to a theory known as spaghettification, you would be stretched and squeezed into a long, thin shape like a piece of spaghetti due to the extreme differences in gravitational pull at different points. Sounds like a wild ride, right? But it gets even more intriguing. Some scientists theorize that black holes could be gateways to other universes or dimensions. It's a concept straight out of science fiction, but it's grounded in the scientific study of quantum mechanics. These theories suggest that the singularity at the center of a black hole, a point where the gravitational field is infinitely strong, could possibly tear a hole into the fabric of our universe, leading to another. However, these theories are purely speculative and yet to be proven. Black holes are a testament to the beauty and complexity of our universe. They challenge our understanding of the cosmos and push the boundaries of our knowledge. As we continue to explore and study these cosmic beasts, we might someday unravel the secrets they hold. So, while black holes remain a mystery, they're certainly a fascinating aspect of our universe. So, what does all of this tell us about space? Well, it's clear that space is not just a silent, infinite void. It's an ever-changing, dynamic, and fascinating place that continues to surprise us every day. We've discussed some mind-boggling facts about the universe, from the unimaginable speed of light to the weightless environment that astronauts experience. We've learned about the diamond rain on Saturn and Jupiter, a phenomenon so fantastical it sounds straight out of a science fiction novel. Can you imagine a downpour of precious diamonds? It's just one example of the unpredictable and extreme weather conditions in space. And let's not forget about the mysterious black holes, cosmic riddles that continue to baffle even the brightest minds. Their immense gravitational pull, capable of swallowing entire stars, is a testament to the unfathomable power and mystery of the universe. But these are just a few droplets in the ocean of knowledge about space. There's so much more to learn, to explore, and to discover. It's a vast, unending frontier that's full of wonders and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. As we've seen, space is not just about stars and planets. It's about understanding our place in the universe, our origins, and our future. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and technology to unravel the secrets of the cosmos. So, let's keep our curiosity alive. Let's continue to gaze at the stars with wonder and ask questions. Let's continue to explore, learn, and grow. Because every new discovery, every new understanding brings us one step closer to answering the ultimate question: what is our place in this vast, mysterious universe? Remember, space is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Let's be the explorers, the learners, the dreamers who never stop asking, what's out there? Because the journey of discovery is just as important as the destination. Happy exploring!